Ready to dive into crypto but feeling a little lost? Have you ever wondered what the first step is to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital currency? Well, the answer for millions of people around the world is to create an account on a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. And one of the most popular and user-friendly options out there is Coinbase. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to set up your very own Coinbase account. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up to verifying your identity and securing your account, so you can start your crypto journey with confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Coinbase website or download their app on your phone. For this walkthrough, we'll use the desktop site, but the process is very similar on the app. Once you're there, you'll see a Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, your legal first name, last name, email address, and to create a secure password. Make sure you use a strong, unique password to protect your account. After filling out the details, click Create Account. Coinbase will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your inbox, find that email, and click the link inside to verify your email address. This is a crucial step to confirm that you own the email and to move forward. Now, you'll be asked to provide your phone number. This is for two-factor authentication, a super important security measure. Enter your number and Coinbase will text you a code. Enter that code on the site. Next, the identity verification process begins. Because Coinbase is a regulated financial service, they are legally required to verify your identity. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your date of birth, street address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number if you are in the U.S. The information you enter must exactly match your government-issued ID. After this, you'll be asked to upload a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. You may also be asked to take a quick selfie or a short video to confirm your face matches the photo on your ID. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once your identity is verified, you're almost there. The final step is to link a payment method. This is how you'll buy and sell crypto. Coinbase supports various options, including bank accounts, debit cards, and wire transfers. Just follow the instructions to securely connect your preferred method. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up your Coinbase account. The process might seem like a lot of steps, but it's all in place to keep your assets safe and comply with financial regulations. Now you're ready to explore the world of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.